Welcome back to the S4HANA EWM 6-part integration series. This is part 5, and today we are covering the most important and the most misunderstood layer of the entire integration. That is ERP documents to EWM document integration. In video 1, we set up the technical connectivity layer, RFCs, logical systems, QRFC, and ALE. The backbone that allows both systems to talk to each other. In video 2, we configured the ERP side settings that control how plants, storage locations, and delivery types behave during integration. In video 3, we moved into EWM and built the structural layer, warehouse numbers, SCU, hierarchy, custodian, and disposal party. And in video 4, we aligned stock types, availability groups, and storage locations so both systems interpret stock in exactly the same way. Now in part 5, we come to the most critical layer of all, ERP to EWM document integration. This is where inbound, outbound, returns, and production documents are translated into EWM warehouse requests and warehouse tasks. If this layer is wrong, nothing else works. So let's dive in. Please note, the full configuration guide is on our website. Screenshots, SPRO paths, everything. To check, go to the www.SAPLogisticsexpert.com. Once on homepage, go to the menu SAP Module Integration. In the drop-down menu choose SAP EWM. Once on the EWM integration page on our website, scroll down to this post, Master S4HANA EWM Integration. Step-by-step guide part 5, ERP to EWM document integration. Scroll down and you will find everything you need, from the SPRO configuration to the integration logic to the troubleshooting notes, is documented in detail on the blog. If you're serious about mastering this topic, don't skip the blog post. It's the complete version of what you're learning here. So let's dive in. In this video, we will cover how ERP delivery types map to EWM document types, how the code for initiator of a communication chain works, how EWM differentiates multiple business scenarios using the same ERP document, how item level mapping works for inbound, outbound, returns, and production, how differentiating attributes split identical ERP item types, how production orders trigger PMRs in EWM. Document type mapping. Let's start with the header level mapping. This configuration tells EWM when ERP sends this delivery type, create this EWM document type. There are 3 key fields. Number 1. ERP document type, which is the original ERP delivery type, EL, LF, DIG, DOG, etc. Number 2. Code for initiator of a communication chain. This is the tiebreaker. It tells EWM the business reason behind the delivery. Number 3. EWM document type. The final document EWM will create, INB, OUTB, IRM, IPS, etc. Now we will see the magic of the initiator code. The initiator code allows EWM to split one ERP delivery type into multiple EWM document types. Example ERP uses ERP document type DIG for many scenarios like standard inbound, production supply, returns special receipts. But EWM needs different documents for each scenario. So for same ERP document type, DIG, Initiator code DIS will determine EWM document type IDIS. Initiator code GRP will determine EWM document type INBI. Initiator code GRR will determine EWM document type IRM. Initiator code PSD will determine EWM document type IPS. Without the initiator code, EWM is blind. Hence this is very important configuration. Next configuration is item type mapping. Header mapping defines the document. Item mapping defines the actual warehouse behavior. Key fields in the item type mapping are: number 1 is the ERP document type like DIG, DOG, etc. Number 2 is ERP item category like TN, ELN, DIGN, DOGN, etc. Number 3 is EWM document type, which is determined from previous configuration header mapping. Number 4 is differentiating attribute, then EWM item type is determined, which is IDLV, ODLV, IDRM, IDPS, etc. Next configuration is mapping of the order type of the manufacturing order in SAP ERP to the document type of the production material request, PMR, in SAP EWM. For advanced production integration, deliveries are replaced by PMR, meaning production material request. To trigger PMRs, we map order type to EWM document type. When the production order is released, EWM automatically creates a PMR in EWM. Next configuration is production item mapping, meaning mapping ERP order type to EWM item type. We can drive different staging strategies from the same production order, like cross-order staging, PCCO, where EWM aggregates demand across multiple orders, no staging, PCNS, used for materials directly sent to the line. Single order staging, PCSO, which is used for staging only for a single order. Production receipt, PRCV, used to re-sieve the output items. This is how EWM supports complex manufacturing environments. Go to www.SAPLogisticsexpert.com for the exact SPRO path, all the screenshots, the example values, the complete configuration sequence, and the most critical and valuable part, how all of this is set up in a real S/4HANA project for our car business scenario. We have documented everything in the form of step-by-step guides on our website. This video gives you the why and the what. The blog post explains how with full configuration details. You will find a link in the description and in the pinned comment. You have now completed the document flow layer of S/4HANA EWM integration. If your document mapping is correct, your entire warehouse becomes predictable and stable. In part 6, we move to the final step: decentralized EWM additional settings, version control, batch behavior, delivery creation rules, and cross-landscape distribution. This completes the entire integration landscape. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe if you want more deep dive SAP EWM and S/4HANA integration content. And don't forget to check the blog post for the full configuration walkthrough. See you in part 6.